Today we're going to cover how to create a Google Analytics account and how to get the Google tag to add to your website. Adding it to your site will largely depend on how you access your site. Whether you're using a CMS platform like WordPress or if you have a developer is going to dictate the overall process. But no matter what you use for your website, you'll still need to get the Google tag to embed on your website. For website owners, it's a great tool to gauge how your website is really performing and see what content is working and what isn't. And today, with how digital the world's become, understanding your website's data is crucial for growth. So to start, you'll need a Google account to set up your analytics account. If you're a business owner or want to use your analytics account for a business site, we recommend that you don't use your personal account. If you don't have a business Gmail account, now is the perfect time to set one up. With a business Google account, your business has more control over assets and the data created under it rather than a specific employee. This is even more true in cases when an employee leaves or changes their personal password. A business account lets you centrally manage user accounts, permissions, and data for all Google services, including Google Analytics. So in the case of an employee leaving the company, you can easily revoke their access to the account and grant access to new employees. After all of that is figured out, we can start by setting up your analytics account. If you've never done this before, it's simple. Just log in via your business Google account or create a new one and click on the Start Measuring button. Here you'll provide an account name. I highly recommend using your business name for clarity. Then configure your data sharing settings. This controls what data you share with Google. Then click Next to add the first property to the account. Before you add your new Google Analytics property, give your new property a name. It's probably best to name it your business name and website, just to help ensure clarity, not just for you as the admin, but also for any other people who may have access to the account later on. Then select your time zone and currency. If you need to change your time zone later, you can, but just know Google takes some time to adjust to the new time zone, so it'll result in a short disruption in your data collection. Because of that, try not to change your time zone more than once a day to avoid losing a lot of data collection. If you're concerned about daylight savings, you don't have to worry about that. Google automatically adjusts for the time changes. Then click Next and select your industry category and business size. Then click Next again and choose how you intend to use Google Analytics. Basically, Google creates a default report for you based on the information you provide and how you intend to use analytics. Then click Create and accept the Analytics Terms of Service and the Data Processing Amendment. Click on iOS app, Android app, or web. Since we're looking into how to use Google Analytics for your website, we're going to choose web. Here you can enter the URL of your website and you can either enable or disable enhanced measurement. Enhanced measurement essentially automatically collects page views and other events. While there are a lot of various events it'll collect, you can always go back and individually disable events you don't want to collect later. So it's better to enable enhanced measurements now and remove unnecessary events later. Then click the data stream for your website. Under Google Tag, click View Tag Instructions. On the Installation Instructions page, select Install Manually. Here you'll see the JavaScript snippet for your account's Google tag. To add this to your website, copy and paste this into the HTML of your website under the head tag for every website page. The overall process of pasting your Google tag onto your website pages might differ if you're using a CMS like WordPress or Shopify or something similar. So if you're not sure where to go from here, if you don't know how to access your site's HTML code, or if you're running into technical difficulties, we have an amazing support team trained to help you out. So go to pspinc.com/support or contact us directly. Call 1-800-232-3989 or email us at support@pspinc.com.